Hello everyone, こんにちは。I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese Cooking. Today we're gonna make Kelp Onigiri. In Japanese, 昆布の佃煮のおにぎり。It's so long, so I just say Kombu Onigiri. And this Kelp Onigiri might not be so popular overseas, same as Okaga, Bonito Flex Onigiri, but this Kelp Onigiri is very traditional and popular in Japan. And this seasoned kelp can be side dish as well. So in this video, I'll introduce the traditional Japanese breakfast along with simmered Hijiki seaweed. And today, Mario and Luigi will be joining as a helper as always. It seems today, Luigi is eager to learn. During this video, I introduce some useful techniques and cooking ideas. So please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. And as I said, I also prepared the Japanese breakfast. I added miso soup, main dish, fruits, and natto. For kids' plate, I made a Japanese omelette with hijiki inside. Okay, now let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. The rice and seasoned kelp. It's a good balance. The umami from the kelp goes well with the rice. Now next, simmered hijiki seaweed. So yum! You can add chicken here, to be more volumey. But I like very simple and vegan style. This dish contains various vegetables and it's very nutritious. The texture of konnyaku stands out the most. Have you ever tried konnyaku before? If yes, please let me know. Maybe I'll introduce more recipes. ごちそうさまでした。Okay, here are tips of today's menu. Tip: when you make seasoned kelp, you can cut into squares and make big pieces. But for making onigiri, I recommend to cut into small pieces so that you can easily put in an onigiri or mix with rice to make onigiri. Tip: when you make simmered hijiki seaweed dish, be sure to pour hot water and rehydrate the hijiki seaweed before cooking. How was the video today? I hope this recipe will help you to make daily meals. And when you have a question, please always tell me and please write a comment from the comment box down below. And then be sure to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it. So special thanks to Mario and Luigi. Oh, Luigi. Luigi. He's supposed to be a good student today, but he fell asleep. Okay, thank you so much everyone. I'll see you next time.